In less than 2 weeks, shoppers will have to pay up to 20 cents for plastic bags at 7 NTUC FairPrice-owned outlets. It's part of a month-long trial.
And the proceeds will go to the Singapore Children's Society and the Straits Times School Pocket Money Fund. Starting September 16th, NTUC supermarkets at Hougang 1, Zhongshan Park, Tai Seng and Lorong Chuan will be affected.
Cheers outlets at Create Way, Anchorvale Street and Aljunied Road are also included in this trial. FairPrice will also conduct a consumer sentiment survey on plastic bag usage.
It also launched a $1 million fund to address sustainability and environmental issues. Meanwhile, CNA checked with supermarket chain Sheng Siong, who did not say if they will start charging for plastic bags.
Instead, Sheng Siong said that it is working with relevant agencies and selected NGOs on their campaigns to encourage consumers to reduce the use of plastic bags.